Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can make your text in WhatsApp beautiful and italicized. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching the video. So let us get down to our topic and open WhatsApp first. Then go to the chat section at the bottom. And now select the chat in which you want to italicize the text. Next, in order to do that, click on your text input box. And now, you will have to first go to the characters section on your keyboard and select underscore. Next, you can write your text. After that, once again the underscore. And as you can see, this is how italicized text is created. And you don't have to worry about the underscore being there. As you can see, when you write some text, then those underscores are removed immediately when you send this message. I'll show you again. The underline, the word or text that you want to italicize, and once again the underscore, and send it. As you can see, the underscore disappears immediately, and this is a very cool and interesting method if you want to emphasize some text, something important, some important word, for example, or important information. It will certainly highlight the information that you want to convey to the person, and he will pay more attention to it. Friends, this is how you can easily make your text italicized in WhatsApp app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.